Back again, it's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all me want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you all are in good spirits. Anyway, me have few things to talk about. We don't know, so me have a attack claps for drop, but I always save the best for last. Anyway, who remember in the video, I was talking about the constable that was killed. Well, me get an update. Some of us are going to update, The Constabulary Communications Unit, CCU, has confirmed that Constable Ricardo Fairclough, who was fatally shot in St. Anne's Bay on Monday evening, is the first policeman to be slain since the start of the year. Fairclough, 45, was killed after intervening in an attack on a 24-year-old female vendor. The incident occurred about 8:30 p.m. on Bravo Street in the vicinity of a popular supermarket. The police say the woman was standing on the street when she was approached by a gunman who shot her in the upper body. Constable Fairclough, who was nearby, responded, firing his service pistol. A brief exchange of gunfire followed, and Constable Fairclough was shot in the upper body. So my viewers and subscribers, you know somebody did bring the news across, but me never know exactly what take place. And I did tell you say, me go update you know. Alright, so that. Also, my wisdom warriors, teacher shot in home attack. Mighty God. A teacher has been hospitalized with chest and upper left side wounds after gunmen smash open a window to her St. Andrew home and open fire in the wee hours of Sunday morning. When I hear this, my wisdom warriors, I do not know what's going on. Me don't know what go down. If me get more information, me definitely I go update to know. But come on now. What is really going on? What is really going on? A policeman shot and killed, and now a teacher. You understand? Now a teacher. What is really happening to our country? We have to ask the question, what is going on? You know what? I feel there is more to this, But when them update us, then me come and update, All right? And that. Anyway, hear this. Breaking news, my wisdom warriors. Parliament Principal Financial Officer resign after being denied secondment. Uno no hear good yet. Parliament Principal Financial Officer resigns after being denied secondment. Una go hear the real reason. Hear this here now. It has come to my attention that the Principal Financial Officer at the House of Parliament, Harvey D'Acosta, has resigned with immediate effect. D'Acosta submitted his letter of resignation on Monday. And hear this here now. It's understood that some time ago, D'Acosta requested a secondment to the Jamaica Cultural Development Commission, for which he got initial approval. When I hear that, yeah, listen, the man apply he requested a secondment. So that means he wanted to go and work there. So which they approve it. You understand? Which they approve it. So if they approve it, why after sudden them deny it? Why after sudden them deny it? My viewers and subscribers, make it make sense. Listen, you see, women understand, you approve somebody and then later now, you disapprove the person. You deny the person. You understand? You deny the person, so of course the person are going to resign. I do not blame him. You don't know say a whole heap of things are going in at the House of Parliament there, My wisdom warriors between me and you, a whole heap of things are going in there, A whole heap of bangarang, You think a joke thing, a serious thing, me I tell you, Mighty God, this a man, resign. Remember, hear what them say. Remember what them say. They say he requested a secondment to the Jamaica Cultural Development Commission, for which, when I hear that, for which he got initial approval. You understand? So, the question is, why them just deny the secondment? So, Why? It must be a reason. Why them just do it so? Remember, we know how to stay, If things not go in at the House of Parliament favor, in at the wholeness them favor, we know. We know when things are going for them favor. If you're not a yes girl and then not a yes man, you got to go. You got to go, my wisdom warrior. Seriously. Seriously. And it also has come to my attention that Andrew Wellness, me talk about it already, but no know, so me have to scribble it on it again. Andrew Wellness, I go shuffle up for him cabinet. Well, me hear say, in call a emergency meeting. My viewers and subscribers and enough of them, I go get shuffle up. So him say, maybe then just all I use this as all a distraction, because more than like to know who him a go shuffle up. Who him a go shuffle up? Me talk about it other day. Who him a go shuffle up? Who? Because he now move. Remember, he have Horace Chang same place. He have Christopher Tufton. He have Nesta Morgan. He have Nigel Clark same way. Yeah? He shuffle up everybody below. And she said there's no changes. So if you shuffle up everybody below, yeah, the MP, the man said there's no changes. That means the problem is the MP. And them you shuffle up now. You understand me? Make it make sense. Simple as that. But Andrew Holness have something up him sleeve. Him know the reason why him now want move Nigel. Because I'm sure no say now move Nigel. Nigel I feel bench and batty we deal with the money. Him now move. If he move Nigel, hey, my viewers and subscribers, you come comment and tell me. But me no say now move Nigel Clark. Nigel Clark, I'm bench and batty. The worst thing get up other day and defend Juliet Wallace. Story come to bump. He now move them. Maybe there's a few when me think. Me not go call no name now, but there is a few when me think he might go shuffle up. You understand? There's a few, but really and truly, Andrew Holness, it don't make no sense to shuffle up nobody. You just need to resign in the whole cabinet. You just need to just resign. And that you need to do. You need to hand it over, the Prime Minister over to Mark Golding and move on. Because you don't know the hell what you do. You don't have no ideas. Number one, a Mark Golding idea them you take away. Me always say that. And Mark Golding is the real leader. You understand? Because everything Mark Golding say, then you run with it. Everything he do, every idea he come up with, then you run with it and see a phone idea on the planet for a long time. My viewers and subscribers, me are telling about these people. And the good people them. And as I said before, if things do not work out in them favor, if you don't want yes girl and yes boy, it not go work out for you. It not go work out for you. You understand me? But when you tell me what you think about that and put on an honest opinion in the comment section, I have a piece of attack class for drop on uno. A long time uno no hear me call the name over here. Integrity Commission. Me say Integrity Commission update them website, my viewers and subscribers. Story come to bump. You know me already, me there everywhere. When me tell you say me is like a CCTV, me there everywhere. Integrity Commission update them service. But before me get into that, because me go and do my own research. But before that, according to the paper, so let me read this so I have a more understanding, and then me tell you when me research and when me get to find out. Guys, I drag on the memory, You see this a video, yeah? Name drag on the memory. We're going back down the memory lane, taking this. Integrity Commission submits 5 reports. When I hear this, my viewers and subscribers, this is according to the paper. Listen, anytime when I hear me, I read out nothing. It's always the paper. Me always do my research and me always I read it from the paper, my viewers and subscribers. You understand me? Right. So, Integrity Commission submit 5 reports, rulings to Parliament when need for table out. When I hear that the word there, that need to table out. I wonder if Juliet Holness hear me there. I wonder if she her ear, she better go clean out her ears and make sure so she her ear properly. Okay. The Integrity Commission has submitted to Parliament 5 reports of investigation together with associated indicative rulings from the Commission's Director of Corruption Prosecution. My viewers and subscribers, wanna hear this here? Wanna hear this here? Hey, a 5 report, you know. 5 reports of investigation together with rulings from commissions, director of corruption prosecution. Wanna hear what me just say? The documents were formally received and signed for at the parliament at 11:22 this morning. Wanna hear that? Okay. So my viewers and subscribers, I wonder if it's 60 of them in this. So. I wonder between me and you feel so the 60th in there. I have a feeling because of full time now, you know. A full time now for they update us about Andrew Owens. And the 60th, a full time now. You can just imagine. Just look at this now. Look at this. This is why I say Juliet Owens is a conflict of interest because it is alleged. She under investigation too. You understand me? She are one of them. So how this a look now? She under investigation and the report sent to she. So she I go read out for your file. Hey, my viewers and subscribers. When me tell you, say this a real attack claps, you know. I beg you give me a like there, you know. You give me a like because me I work really hard, you know. Some would like subscribe to my channel and give me a like and share out this video, yeah? Because people need to hear what go on. So my wisdom warriors now. So, as I said before, allege. Because, you know, so me have to start use that word here more often now. Okay. So, it is alleged that Juliet Owens is one of them. Yeah? One of the 6. You know? Yeah. So, she are one of the 6. And then the reporter got to she. The report is going to her. And guess who else the reporter got to? Tom Tavares. All that the one day. All that the one day where I come bright up himself. I come talk off him mouth. But Mark Golden is not honorable. Me have you up, Tom. I have you up, you. Me have you up. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, tell me what you think about that. Put on honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, guys. Me want to remember, say this video is a drag memory video. Me I bring on back down memory lane. You understand me? Because a lot of people never see this video. You get me? So this is why me do a replay on this video. Anyway, like and share out the video, guys. Like and share, like and share, like and share. Subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all platforms. All right? Blessings upon blessings. One love.